Hey everyone, welcome back to this video series on the Cucumber Selenium framework. So today I'm going to talk about a latest feature of Cucumber which has been added where you can publish your HTML reports at a cloud server provided by Cucumber, and then you can share that link with anyone within your team and they can access it from anywhere, right? So in the conventional Cucumber projects, right, with the help of plugins, which we define it at our test runner file, right, with this Cucumber HTML plugin, we can generate the HTML reports, right? So that's the conventional way of manually generating an HTML report, and then you can access that HTML report, right? So under target Cucumber reports, it has generated this HTML report. But if you have been working with Cucumber or any Selenium project, these HTML reports are not easy to share with your team because these are built locally, right? These are built locally, so it may not be accessible from another machine. So that becomes a problem. And now Cucumber has come up with this latest feature where it resolves this problem. And now you can easily share and access reports on at a cloud server, right? So let's see how we can do that, right? So the first step obviously is to have a working Cucumber Selenium project, and then you need to make sure that your dependencies are updated, right? So I'm using the 6.6.1 version of Cucumber Java, but you can check at the Maven website and you can use the latest ones, right? So the latest one is 6.8.0. But as far as I know, it should be greater than 6.5, right? So you can use any of those versions. Okay, so that's the next requirement. And then, okay, so let's execute this and then I will show you uh, how Cucumber displays the information which is required to publish your reports, like what changes you need to do in your project, right? So once let's execute this and we'll see. So this is a simple feature file wherein I just log in into a website and then enter the username and password and then check whether that home page is displayed or not, right? So that's a simple feature with a simple test. Okay, so that's our test. Now, once you do that, head to the console where you in the logs, you will see the scenario and the feature file, the steps which are executed. And below that, you will see a new window being shown by the Cucumber, right? So here they provide you all the information required on how to share your reports with your team by publishing this report, right? And how you can publish. Here are the three ways of doing it, right? So either you can add a file cucumber.properties with this value. You can you can use an environment variable, or if you're using JUnit, you can use this tag cucumber options, right? So you can also disable this message if you don't, if you just want to go with the manual generation of HTML reports, just add this value to your properties file. Okay. So since I am using test ng with Cucumber, so the Cucumber properties file looks the more viable solution for this. So let's go ahead and add this, right? So we need to go to the source test resources, and there you need to add a new file called cucumber.properties. Okay. And then here we need this value. So okay, so that's all which is required to in order to execute this file. Just save it and then execute this feature file again. Okay, so let it execute, and then this time we will have a new notification, right, with a cloud URL where your reports are published. So we'll see. That's also displayed on the console. Okay, so our execution is completed. And if you go to the console now, you will see they are now providing you with a unique URL, right? So this URL, as it is showing, it will self-destruct in 24 hours, like unless it is claimed or deleted, right? So click on this URL and you will see at reports.cucumber.io, this report is stored here and it can be accessed from any browser, right? So it shows you some details like how many feature file passed, how many scenarios passed, right? Where it was executed, which machine, then so how much time it took to execute this, right? Which Cucumber JVM version you are using, which Java you are using, right? So all these details. And then if you click on this feature, you can also see all your details regarding your feature, right? The feature name, the background, scenario outline, examples. So everything, all the details are present here. So it's a nice HTML report. You can also delete it once you don't require it, or you can claim it, right? But this particular feature is still in beta version. They have still not come up with this, but in coming time, we can expect they will come with this feature also. So what it does is we can link or we can make this report private by link it to our GitHub repository, right? So it will automatically be grouped under the same GitHub repository. And then we can easily publish our reports using our repository itself. Okay, so that's a pretty nice feature if you're working with Cucumber, right? And I'm sure they will be coming up with more features in the coming days. So I'll be sharing that with you whenever it is available. I hope you like this video. So keep watching these videos on my channel, and see you in the next video.